The planet Earth is usually referred to as the blue planet because it looks blue from the orbit, I think.
Okay.
And Fiverr is green because its logo is green, and from every way you look at it, from here, it's a money making machine if you know how to use it right. And if you watch this video until the end, you see how much money people are actually making on Fiverr with no skills at all. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So subscribe if you're new and like this video if you want to make money on Fiverr. And you know what? I'll shout you out just to help you grow your brand. Just comment your Instagram account or YouTube account down below. I'll put it in this jar and shout it in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, in this video you learn about 3 ways to make money on Fiverr without any skills. I'll show you all of them right now. The first way is to actually create logos. It's very simple. It doesn't require any work because you have pre-made logos on Canva based on the business. If we go on Fiverr right here, we have templates on how to create business cards, so many things that you can actually sell on Fiverr. But because we want no skills, we just click on logo and look at all these logos. You can do logos for businesses, for gaming communities, and if you want to see how much people are actually getting paid, okay, that might be a little bit higher quality, but check logos that are done on Canva. I'm pretty sure, I would bet they're done on Canva, like most of them. We're trying to sort this by best selling. This logo, $15. This logo is $15. 2 basic logo designs with PNG files. Seems like Canva to me, 15 bucks. This person, if most people order this plan for 30 bucks, 603 sales because he also has a premium plan for 55 bucks. So if we multiply 30 by 603, it seems to be 18 grand from logos. Like these logos are not hard to make with Canva. You can probably make them for 10 bucks or something just to undercut him. The second way is actually transcriptions. I have a very long video about it. You can automate, you can see the whole video in the cards above. But just to show you how much people are making, just transcribing, and you can do it automatically if you check the video in the cards, as I said. Some transcriptions cost 5 bucks. Look at this person, 754. That's over 3.5k. And the best way, the simplest way, 0 skills needed, is background remover. People are paying like 5 bucks with 800 feedback, meaning that this person made over 4 grand. This person nearly 5 grand from just removing backgrounds, which actually is absolutely free to do. No skills, you just upload a file here and this website does it for you. Remove.video. So you can instantly, after watching this video, go on Fiverr and create some offers and start earning money with no skills. How about that? If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe if you want to make money online. Remember that a video that keeps the doctor away. This is no financial, medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Your results are not guaranteed, especially if you're not willing to put in the work. By the end of this video, check this video or this video. Bye.